Hello, hello. Welcome, Math 9 students who are absent today. I forgot to record a lesson for you 3 different times when I was teaching this today. And so instead, I am spending some time after school and writing down this lesson for you. And I have 2 kids stationed outside of my classroom to catch my kids off the bus and stop them from screaming in the hallway, which is probably not going to work. So expect to hear some kids screaming pretty soon. We're only going to go through 4 examples, and I am going to go really fast, and the reason why is A, because my children are going to come in just a few minutes, and B, because I don't have to wait for anybody right now because there's nobody in front of me. So you have the power to pause the video anytime you wish to make sure that you're catching up. So, please do. Okay. Pause if you need to. Have some time to write it down. So the first part of this assignment is going to be looking at letters, variables, and numbers, and writing it out in English, just like the last assignment was taking English phrases and writing them out as symbols and letters. So this is 5 times x to the 3rd power plus 2. And this one would be a to the 4th power plus, now you could do this 2 different ways. You could either say the quotient of 6x and 7, or you could say the quantity 6x divided by 7. I realize that I didn't write 6 and 7 in English words. I used numbers, but anyway, quotient means that we're dividing, and it's 6x and 7 that we're dividing. The quantity 6x implies that it's all of it that is on top, not just the x part. So either one of these would be a good finishing to this sentence. Example 3 is a squared parentheses 3b minus a plus 5 divided by c, where a is 2, b is 6, and c is 4. The idea behind this is that a is going to be 2 every time you see an a over here. B will be 6 every time you see a B, and C will be 4 every time you see a C. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill in these numbers into those spots. 2 squared, 3 times 6, minus 2, plus 5, divided by 4. So I just filled in. Anytime I saw an A, I filled in 2. Every time I saw a B, I filled in 6. And every time I saw a C, I filled in 4. And now I'm going to do the parentheses first. So that's 18 minus 2 plus 5. Then I'm going to go left to right here. So this is 18 minus 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 21 is 84. And 84 divided by 4 is 21, which is the right answer. So half of your homework is going to be kind of like translating math symbols like this into words, and half of your homework is going to be this kind of substitution stuff where you plug stuff in. On example 4, which is the last example, you're going to plug in 2, 6, and 4, same thing, into this one. This one I want you to try by yourself. So after you write down the problem, which is b times parentheses 9 minus c parentheses divided by a squared, I want you to plug in 2, 6, and 4 and simplify as far as you can. So pause the video and try it yourself. Actually pause it. Don't just watch me do it. Actually pause the video. All right, I'm assuming you did it. 6 times parentheses 9 minus 4 parentheses over 2 squared. I'm going to do the parentheses first, which is 9 minus 4. So this is 6 times 5 on top. And the bottom is 2 squared, which is 4, which makes 30 divided by 4. And if you take 30 divided by 4 in your calculator, you get 7.5, which is the right answer. Your homework is page 18, numbers 18 through 20, 31 through 33, and 42 through 52. And this is due on Monday. And the reason why is because tomorrow, which is Thursday, will be a work day on this assignment. And Friday, we're doing the STAR test in class. So for that, you're going to need to bring your computer. Or you can do it at home. I'll put a link up on the website on Schoology. Okay, that's it. Hope everything went well for you. If not, go back and watch it again. Ask me questions if you've got questions. Bye.